Hey, it's Mike from AutomationEngage.com, and today we're going to talk about what is an opt-out link and when should you use one in an email campaign. We all know that we don't want to blast our entire email list, the fabled email blast. That's not a good thing to do because it annoys your contacts. It's not relevant to a good percentage of them. So you're going to get low opens, high unsubscribes. However, there's times where you have to send out a campaign and you want to have maximum opportunity to hit a big chunk of your database. Instead of just blasting everybody indiscriminately, what you can do is create something called an opt-out link. It's a link in your email that allows your list to choose to opt out of this promotion. You're upfront in saying that, hey, I've got this promotion thing going on, and if you're not interested in it, just click this link. It gives you an option to hit a bigger portion of your email list. They just click that link, and then you can have it set up inside of your email automation that a tag is applied. I call them no promo tags. So it'll be no promo, and then the name of the campaign is applied to that contact, and then anyone with that tag doesn't get any more of those emails related to that campaign. It allows you to mail almost your entire list without any segments and allow people to segment themselves out instead of segment themselves in. The bad side of it is it's a little bit better than an email blast, but you are hitting a big percentage of your list. Some people might just not choose to opt out. They might just unsubscribe. There is that possibility. The other thing too is you may get what are called blind clicks. If you don't provide a link that sends people to like a preview of your campaign, what might happen is if you only provide the opt-out link and you've got a database of people who are well trained to click on your links, they may actually click your opt-out link when they think that link's going to take them to a sales page. That's the thing you got to watch out for without opt-out links, but it's another tool in your arsenal. And to get more tips like these, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell.